Figure 5 shows lightning from a thunderstorm over the sea. Which row of the table is correct for the light and sound waves? Light is like this, sound is like this. So that only row that suits is light is transverse and sound is longitudinal. A person on a beach hears the sound of thunder 6 seconds after seeing the lightning. The speed of sound wave is 330 meters per second. The speed of light in air is 3 times 10 to the power of 8 meters per second. Estimate the distance between the lightning and the person. I can assume with the speed of light being that fast, will be a practically instantaneously that they see the light. So distance equals speed times time from the speed equals distance over time equation. Distance is speed times time. My speed is 330, my time is 6 seconds, and that equals 1,980. So that is my estimated distance between the lightning and the person. In a science fiction story, lightning is used as an energy source for accelerating a car. In the story, the car has kinetic energy of 960 kilojoules at a speed of 40 meters per second. Calculate the mass of the car. Well, kilojoules, that K means times 1,000. So I then have 960,000 joules of energy. Now the equation I'm going to be using is kinetic energy equals half times mass times the velocity squared. So to rearrange for mass equals, that will be kinetic energy divided by the half times the v squared. So to now substitute numbers, 960,000 joules is my energy, divided by a half times the speed of 40 squared. Now putting that into the calculator, I would put that in brackets there, make sure that bit's done, except the squared only applies to the 40, and that bit's all times together, and then 960,000 divided by that answer. And that gives me 1,200 kilograms. Now if only 5% of the energy of the lightning bolt is transferred to the kinetic energy of the car, calculate the total energy of the lightning bolt in megajoules. So I will just take my 960 kilojoules there, divide that by the 5% efficiency, putting that into the calculator gives me 19.2 megajoules.